Hiya guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do an afro wig in under 30 minutes. If you want to see how that works out, watch the end of the video. the court. Dun, 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 dun. I even brought my gavel for this. Technically, it's not a gavel, but right. So I finally made the wig, and yeah, we have arrived at the end of this video. And I'm just going to give like my really quick opinion on the wig. You can tell by my face that I'm not really living for this wig. Like the way people made it look, it looked way nicer than this. I feel like it's the hair, but this is the exact same hair that they used. So I don't know what is going on with the hair. When you see my head like this, it actually looks like maybe I have a teeny weeny afro, but when I bend like this, you're just like, what mess is this? I'm really not living for this wig. I mean, like, no, not for me. So again, my 2 thoughts on the wig. I will not be wearing this thing out in public. I even thought I was going to like maybe go out for a drink or something and then wear the wig, but I'm not feeling it. So definitely a hard pass for me. But we thank YouTube as always for bringing us strange new things to try. And with that said, thank you guys for watching this video and getting to the end. If you are here already, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to watch my other videos. As always, I love you guys. Bye.